A friend who is also a legal assistant and I were talking about how we've both never really noticed how much we missed in legal shows before we became legal assistants. As in, there are many different references, terminologies, and procedures that went right over our heads. This has helped me confirm that I am in fact learning new information, even though sometimes I feel like I'm not soaking it all up. However, I've noticed that there are also things that appear easy in legal shows, which I have found, at least in my experience, not to be any simple feat. The one I want to focus on today is contacting opposing counsel. In a case, there are usually at least two opposing sides. The lawyer for whichever party you aren't with is often considered opposing counsel. You might be wondering, why would you or your lawyer need to communicate with opposing counsel since you see them in court? Well, here's the thing. You often have to communicate with opposing counsel in order to schedule with the court. I work as a legal assistant in family law, so we also need to communicate with opposing counsel to schedule mediation, something that has to be done in every divorce case before they can go to trial. We also have to communicate with opposing counsel to discuss child support, alimony, and talk about proposed settlements, just to name a few different things. More often than not, opposing counsel will not take or return our emails or phone calls. I am pretty sure sometimes their voicemails and emails aren't even read. I'm starting to think we should include a clause in the email like, if you respond to this email within an hour, we will send you a box of cookies, just to see who's paying attention. But even then, if I added that into the email, they still probably wouldn't answer the email. The lack of communication from the opposing counsel makes cases drag on much longer than they need to drag on due to their lack of communication. I feel like in legal shows they make it look so easy to meet or talk or correspond with opposing counsel and offer proposed settlement agreements, while in reality it's something that is extremely hard to do. I wish it was like as easy it was in the shows. Well, see you next week.